The markets for the rest of this week, probably into next week. I'm not talking about the economy now. I'm talking about the markets. The markets are going to be about oil, all about oil. Oil. That's what it's going to be about. We see oil break about broke $50 for the first time this year. It's likely to stay there. People have been talking about rebalancing oil at the end of last year in December and in January. We heard things from OPEC, from the Saudi Arabia oil minister, like balance is around the corner. We're going to start seeing balancing come into the markets. The end of January, we heard more talk about that as it looked like the production cuts were being adhered to through the OPEC nations, and they were talking like this is going to be a very good thing. We are reaching a balance. I have been saying since December and January, I said we're not going to see balance until at best fourth quarter, at best middle of fourth quarter this year. That's just my opinion. Well, that's looking like it's a little bit more and more accurate than I thought it would be. But look, it's all going to be about oil right now, and I don't see any. I see some buying opportunities and some adding opportunities for oil stocks. Definitely still going to be apparent. I thought about adding some this morning, but we're going to see continued downside pressure. We had a record inventory numbers yesterday, Well, wait a minute. Didn't we have a record inventory numbers last week? Yes. Now we got a new record inventories. We're adding rigs to the tune of 6-7 rigs. I'm guessing 6-7 rigs a week. We're adding rigs coming online. That's fine. We're adding on to these rigs, increasing production here in the U.S.